ये दाढ़ी ये चाचा
For the man, the perfectionist, and a very tech-savvy Amir Khan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very special evening, and I'm sure you're going to love this. Let me get started by giving you a brief insight into PVR. PVR is the largest and the most premium film entertainment company in India. Let's give them a big round of applause. Come on, everybody.
You know, I'm afraid not tech savvy at all. But I'm glad you think so. I'm sorry I got late today. There was an accident on Sea-Link and I got held up over there. My sincere apologies. You know, I think it's really wonderful that IMAX, this is the second IMAX. The first one was Adlabs. So it's really wonderful to see that, you know, this is the second IMAX opening, and I would like to see more and more IMAX screens coming up, because I'm someone who loves watching, someone who loves making films, and it is really wonderful to see the story that you have created up there on the large screen, and you know, when it unfolds and makes it really exciting for the filmmaker, the creative team, and for the audiences. And I want to thank Ajay and Sanjeev, because they've always been in the forefront of, you know, giving really high quality movies and screenings to audiences all across the country. They're committed and they're very passionate about bringing the best in quality projection and theaters across the country. The PVR team, you know, always is most cooperative, and they help us, you know, with checking the print and all of that. So it's really nice to see, you know, that PVR is so committed to movie making and creating the experience for people. And I'd really like to see you guys come up with more IMAX screens, because IMAX, you know, I remember the first time I saw IMAX was when I was shooting for Dil Chahta Hai in Sydney. So in Sydney there was this IMAX theatre about 15 minutes from where I was staying, and I saw my first IMAX film and I was just blown. I was like, my God, what is this? And I think there were about 8 or 10 films running in the IMAX theatre over there. That I saw all of them. Yeah, every couple of days I would come and I would sit alone and watch the film. It was really amazing. You know, you get transported into a different world, and that's what you want, you know, as an audience. So it's great to see IMAX coming to India. I congratulate you and wish you all the very best. Yeah. And yeah, thanks and all the very best, Vijay.